Welcome to Salad Challenge 2025. We're going to make this really quick to give you the rules of engagement. You can also read it below this video, but the first thing you're going to do is click the link below this video to get started. And it's going to send you to this page right here. And once you're on this page, you simply just put your details inside of here. So let me type mine in and then agree and send the challenge. Simple as that. And you are officially in the challenge. Now, the same video you're watching now is the one that you're going to see pop up right here. So you're going to see that going here on how it works and everything. And I also have some free workouts here as well too, but I'll let you go down that rabbit hole if you want to. We're just here to go over the salad challenge. Now, once I've clicked that, you're immediately going to get an email right here that says, did you get this? Now, make sure you put that this is not spam. Okay. Show the images and everything in here and or also white label it. Make sure it's in your primary box here in Gmail. It's not your promotions folder. Otherwise, you're gonna miss some valuable information. You're gonna be like, hey, why is everybody like in the private group and joining this and a third? Well, you put me in the spam folder, so take me out of the spam folder. All right, so once you're inside of here, again, I'm gonna double send you that link for the salad recipes just in case you didn't see it. So you'll have all recipe access instantly right here in your email. And you're also gonna be able to join the Facebook group right here. So if you click this link that says join group, that's gonna take you to the new crew group here. And this is where you're gonna see everybody posting about their salad and blah, blah, blah. This is where I'm gonna be going live and putting most of that stuff in. And that's pretty much it for as far as getting set up. Now with the salad challenge recipes itself, there's a couple of parameters around this. So we're eating one salad a day on top of your other meals. So we're not canceling out all the food you're eating. All right. Just add one salad a day to everything you're doing. The whole goal of this challenge is not weight loss. It's not fat loss. It's not toning us. None of that. It's just making healthy choices and doing it every single day. So your challenge every single day literally is like, where am I going to find a salad? I don't care if you're traveling, you're in the airport, you're with your friends, like you're on a date, where you need to find a salad. All right. So I'm going to be putting a lot of tips for you inside the group chat. That's why I made this recipe book as well, too, to help you kind of get going, get started. Some other pro tips with the salad is make sure you have protein in your salad, at least 20, 30 grams of protein. And we in 2025, y'all. When I launched the salad challenge, we didn't have all this AI and stuff. Go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT where you can find protein in your salad. All right, let's not make this hard. All right, so make sure you have protein in your salad and drink water. Every time you're having a salad, you need to drink at least 1 bottle of water. All right, that's the goal we're working on. And other things too, let's talk about building a salad real quick. So this is what let's start with what I don't constitute as a salad. So Cobb salad, no, we're not putting fried food and processed food in our salad, y'all. A fruit salad, it's not a salad, y'all. Greek salad is probably the only leafy green salad I will actually allow in the challenge because they are very good anti-inflammatory Mediterranean options. But aside from that, y'all, make sure you got a dense green vegetable. Again, if you don't know what a dense green vegetable is, just go to ChatGPT, y'all. Go to Google. We're talking dark leafy green cruciferous vegetables. All right, that could be kale, that could be arugula, spinach. Lettuce is okay, but use that for more value, not for like nutrient dense options. All right. Other thing is quality protein in your salad. So we need at least 20, 30 grams. We don't want to just be grazing on grass out here. All right, y'all. And feel free to, light dressing, season it up. Don't just make boring old salads. All the recipes in here are really flavorful salads. I'm going to be dropping some too. So just stay in tune on my Instagram, the Facebook group, my email, stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. Just have fun with it, y'all. And if you have any other questions outside of that weren't answered in this video, just drop a comment, drop a post inside the private group, and we'll see you inside. Peace.